Question. In our community, the black community, what's our number one problem? Let me know what you think. We got a lot of problems now. We sure do. But what's our number one problem? If you ask me, it ain't money. It ain't money. Check it. Did you know that black Americans have more money than most countries? That sounds crazy, right? If you don't believe me, fact check me. Reparations is still due now. That's right. I said the R word. Reparations is owed, and reparations are biblical. Check it. Our number one problem is culture. Culture is our number one issue within our community. Examine our culture. Is it really our culture? We live a culture that is influenced by the propaganda. We mimic what we see in the media. They promote death, disease, murder, adultery, division of family, fornication, blase, blase, blase. We can go on and on with the issues in our quote unquote culture. You notice they have appropriated that word, culture. They have the nerve to call culture what we see on TV. That's not our culture. Our culture is Torah culture. That's right. Our culture comes from the Bible. Culture is the way we do things. Culture involves knowledge of self. Most of our people do not know who they are. Most of our people do not know that we are the chosen people of Yah. Israelites. That's right. Our people, black people, are Israelites. Culture includes language. Many countries, they have a nationality and they have a language. For us, our nationality was removed from us and our language was removed from us. Before we spoke English, we spoke Hebrew. Hebrew is your language. Culture includes diet. The American diet promotes death. The Christian diet does not line up with our true diet. Our diet comes from Leviticus 11. That's right. Them pork chops, them pork grinds, chitlins, pig feet, hog maws, all of that is not our diet. Our names were stripped from us. And we were forced to take the names of our oppressors. Before we had English names, we had Hebrew names. That's right. Culture is our number one problem. Other countries, they have culture. Our community, we have culture. That culture is Torah. If you would like to hear more information on what I'm saying, because I might sound crazy right now. You might think, Jaden, what you mean we had Hebrew names? What you mean we did not eat pork? Are you crazy? I am crazy a little bit, so yeah, that's partly true. What you mean? What you mean by all this, Jaden? That we're Israelites. Check it. If you like more, just check out my channel. Check out all the videos. But go ahead and start with my playlist that says start here. That culture that they appropriated and have brainwashed us with, that's not our culture. Our culture is Torah culture.